I think the purpose is just so central to our people. We've got 15,000 cooks, cleaners, technicians, tradespeople. It's not simply the tasks we perform, it's the impact of those tasks on the community. And so what we do is actually supporting healthcare outcomes for people who are in our hospital system. It's allowing students at TAFEs, polytechs, schools and universities to have an education. We're supporting vulnerable families in social housing. We're supporting people in custody to turn their lives around. We're supporting over 40,000 defence personnel across Australia and New Zealand to keep our borders safe and secure. And we're enabling our essential services of police, fire and ambulance to function. And so that is at the heart of what keeps our communities thriving, what keeps our communities strong. And while we're often in the background, not in the foreground, what we do really matters. It's really important to our communities, and all our people can feel super proud about what we do and the role we play in the community. Very much it's like that great story about the lady who's cleaning the hallway in NASA, and they say, what are you doing? And she doesn't say, I'm a cleaner. She says, I'm sending man to the moon. And we really want to give all our people a deep sense of pride and a sense of what it is that we do, because it's so much more important than the individual tasks. It's actually the overall outcome that we deliver to our clients and ultimately to our communities.
Well, here at Adelaide University, enabling the community to thrive is not done just through supporting the student body, it's also through the experimental and the lab staff and the other projects that go on site. There's a lot of research material happening here, and our infrastructure is a part of that. If our water supply stops or the gas goes out, there's the potential to lose experiments and lose research time, and there's a lot of value in that, so it's multifaceted.
I think people are really passionate, and you can see that also as well that our staff, internal staff, are so passionate. You know, I've had a number of staff members come up to me before and say, oh, I'm really worried about one of these tenants in the homes. How can we, get some assistance, etc. And we can direct them through the right avenues. We can talk to Kying or and we can feed that back through to them as well. And actually, that's the care, that's the respect, isn't it? You're not just walking into a home going, I've fixed my issue, see you later, have a great day. Actually, there's a bigger issue at play here, and we need to help people.
Defence's purpose is to protect our sovereignty, protect our borders and protect our people and our way of life. And they do that by ensuring that they can train their people and provide their people with the right environments at all different types of environments. We enable Defence to thrive by ensuring that we are best supporting that environment.
We enable communities to thrive here by leveraging the broader Downer machine to help achieve sustainability targets, help achieve better patient outcomes, and absolutely deliver in collaboration with our partners.
It resonates really well with me being a part of the defence community. I'm a defence spouse, have been for the last 15 years, and working with Downer to be able to enable the communities to thrive is my purpose, it's my passion. I love my day-to-day job.
Yeah. When we talk about thriving and how do we make a community thrive, I think it's, as a team, is setting the bar as high as possible to get the best outcomes on what we can input.
But of course, when things are going well, as they always do here, it's not noticed, it's seamless. The staff can move through, the students can move through, the community can move through the campus and enjoy the entire environment that we have here.
In our context, it's making sure that the infrastructure that is there enables us to provide the best services that we possibly can for the people of South Australia. When you make an investment of about $2.8 billion, it's important that the facility does what it was designed to do. And for a while it took people some time to understand what that really was. It's making sure all of the things that we do really deliver on what we said we would do so the people that use it get the best experience they can.
In every Good Friday, Downer do it at their cost, in their organisation. We have all of the superheroes abseiling down the building on Good Friday, part of the Good Friday appeal. And the staff and the patients were aware of that. And outside of the Good Friday appeal, because the timing just wasn't working, there was a young terminally ill 4-year-old whose hero was Spider-Man. So David went out, engaged them. Spider-Man came over the top, banged on the little boy's window. Little boy passed away 2 days later. We got a magnificent letter from the parents saying we made his day. That's what a community is.